My dear friend, you are most welcome, and I am happy to say that our Kafir International Army now will eliminate the all Islamic terrorism that is known as the Jihadi Asghar. And there is no need any documentation for being a member of Kafir International Army. You can join Kafir International Army everywhere throughout the world, in your house, in your street. If you are opposing the doctrine of Islam, which is the Jihadi Asghar, you are the member of the Kafir International Army. And this is your right to eliminate those terrorists or those people who are following the Islamic doctrine, that is Jihadi Asghar, to kill the all non-Muslims on the basis of that they are not the Muslims. As in Pahalgam attack, those peoples were killed were the Hindus. This is why the terrorist asked to cite the kalma or chanting the kalma, that is Bismillah Rahman Rahim, which is very, very fallacy, because Allah is not a Rahim or the kind, He is very cruel. So this is our duty, that we must not bear the such type of Jihadi Asghar. It is our firm duty. When I had disclosed in many videos in my all channels that there is no Allah, Allah is a totally a fallacy. This is the pious or holy day of 1st June 225, that this is I advise you, and this is the boon to you, join the International Kafir International Army to eliminate Jihad or Jihadi Asghar, means the smaller Jihad of Islam. Otherwise our descendant or our generation will be lived or will believe in the terror of the Islamic Buddhism. So it is our duty to all the member of the Kafir International Army, whether they are living in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or at anywhere throughout the world. First, my appeal to all the members of the Kafir International Army to eliminate the Saifullah Kasuri, Asim Munir, the journal, the Jihadi journal of the Pakistan, Hafiz Saeed and his family, Masood Azhar and his family, if there is any member is alive now, and Maulana Diesel, Maulana Saad Rizvi, who is the descendant of a lunatic or the maniac Maulana Khadim Rizvi. We must see that the Pakistan is not the epicenter of the Islamic Jihadi Asghar, but every madrasa, every mosque is an epicenter of the Islamic Jihad. That is totally hooliganism or Gunism against the non-Muslims. The people of Britain, the people of Europe, the people of United States of America, people of the Canada, or people of the Australia, especially those people who are ethnic Europeans or so-called white races, but there is no white or black race. This is due to the environmental effects or the inhabitants, because the Europeans were also black before 3 lakhs years ago, and after they migrated from the East Africa, eastern coast of the Africa, they migrated to the Europe and they become whitish, because the formation of the melanin is lesser than those which are living in the warm climate or warm temperature. And those peoples who are living in the coldest place, certainly due to the almost nil percentage of the melanin, they are white, but they are prone to the skin cancer because melanin is the restriction to the skin cancer. So we should not see that this is white race or the black or the Negro or the brown or the Mongoloid. This is all due to the inhabitants which in which they are abiding the million years. Our motto must be that we must fight against those peoples which are the goons and which are the following the such type of ideology which is totally hooliganism against the society and the human values. We cannot bear to such type of the Islamic doctrine which allowed or allows the killing of the non-Muslims in the name of the fallacy of the Allah. And those women which are non-Muslim women are the prime prey of these Islamic goons, because according to Islam, if you can rob or you can loot the non-Muslim woman in the war, they will be your sex slave. And this war of the Islamic war, which is known as the Jihad Asghar, is always continuing. There is no restriction in this war. There is no constraints to this war to any Muslim, because it's a duty to any Muslim to kill the non-Muslim, and he will be abide in the Jannat or the heaven throughout unlimited days. This is where the fallacy, this is the terminology of the 72 hoods, and the heaven means the Jannah is totally misguiding to the Muslim brethren. There is no brotherhood among the Muslim and non-Muslim, because Islam does not allow the brotherhood with the non-Muslims. So all the Islamic madrasa are the epicenter of the terrorism. The first duty is our duty to eliminate or to restrict such type of the Islamic madrasas. Our Indian government attacked Sindoor, Operation Sindoor, restricted the madrasa of the Bahawalpur and the madrasa of Muridke by an Islamic goon, that is Hafiz Saeed, and another Islamic goon, the Masood Azhar. But it is not the duty of the Indian government to restrict the madrasa Darul Uloom Deoband, because the teaching of the Darul Uloom Deoband of the Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh, India, and the madrasa of Muridke or madrasa of Bahawalpur or madrasa of Ghotki, Mithu Miyan is the same alike. These are all the Islamic goons. And the madrasa of the Darul Uloom Deoband and the madrasa of the Barelvi madrasa is the epic center of terrorism. And the third madrasa, which is situated in the Saudi Arabia, the Bahawi Center, that is also the epic center of Islamic goonism. But the Prince Muhammad bin Salman restricted these madrasas and the teaching of the hadith, and restricted the offering the namaz to the children. Certainly Muhammad bin Salman is we must applaud the efforts of the Muhammad bin Salman that he is doing in favor of humanity and restricting the Islamic ideology, which is the Goonism and the hooliganism. This is duty of every member of the international Kafir army. We must eliminate all these Islamic so-called scholars, whether they are lived in Chicago, whether they are lived in Pakistan or India, because all these Islamic scholars which are propagating the teaching of the Islam, which is very, very dangerous to the society, are the part of Islamic terrorism and liable to eliminate by our Islamic Kafir International Army. And I hope that all the Islamic scholars from the United States must be eliminated by member of our Kafir International Army. Those Islamic scholars who are propagating the terrorism as Jihadi Asghar. No need to eliminate all the Muslims, because many Muslims are not Muslim in the real sense. They are not following the Islamic Gunism, that is Jihadi Asghar. So I have written 9 books solely on the Islamic Gunism, that is the Discriminated Hindus by Vijay Kumar Pal, Lost Paradise Kashmir by Vijay Kumar Pal, and 10 more books are other. You can find or you can search out my book on the Amazon, Flipkart, Shashwat Publication Bilaspur, Rudra Publication Bilaspur, etc. Thank you very much.